5-minute guided meditation, clarity and focus. Welcome to this brief respite from the day. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. Feel yourself becoming more centered. Envision a calm, clear lake within you, its surface smooth and undisturbed. Focus on your breath. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and exhale for a count of 6. This rhythm brings a sense of harmony and balance to your mind and body. Picture a single point of light in the center of your forehead. With each breath, this light grows brighter, illuminating your thoughts with clarity and washing away confusion. Into my mind. I am present, I am clear, I am focused. Feeling prepared to return to your day with renewed perspective. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and stretch your arms and legs. Carry this sense of calm and clarity with you as you continue your day. Thank you for taking these moments for yourself. May the clarity you found here illuminate the rest of your day. Please share this gift of meditation with someone you love.